Welcome back to the channel. Today we are covering the questions and answer on Splunk Core Certified User SPLK-1001. To find the complete list of questions and answer, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Now today's question is, how can another user gain access to a saved reports? Options are: Option A, the owner of the report can edit permissions from the edit drop-down. Option B, only users with an admin or power user role can access other users' reports. Option C, anyone can access any reports marked as public within a shared Splunk deployment. And option D, the owner of the report must clone the original report and saved it to their user account. The correct option is option A. Next question is, what is the primary use for the rare command? Options are: Option A, to sort field values in descending order. Option B, to return only fields containing 5 or fewer values. Option C, to find the least common values of a field in a data set. And option D, to find the fields with the fewest number of values across the data set. The correct option is option C. Next question is, what happens when a field is added to the selected fields list in the fields sidebar? Options are: Option A, Splunk will rerun the search job in verbose mode to prioritize the new selected field. Option B, Splunk will highlight related fields as a suggestion to add them to the selected fields list. Option C, custom selection will replace the interesting fields that Splunk populated into the list at search time. And option D, the selected field and its corresponding values will appear underneath the events in the search results. The correct option is option D. Next question is, by default, which of the following is a selected field? Options are: Option A, action. Option B, client tip. Option C, category ID. And option D, source type. The correct option is option D. Next question is, according to Splunk best practices, which placement of the wildcard results in the most efficient search? Options are: Option A, F star IL. Option B, star FAIL. Option C, FAIL star. And option D, star FAIL star. The correct option is option C. Next question is, which command automatically returns percent and count columns when executing searches? Options are: Option A, top. Option B, stats. Option C, table. And option D, percent. The correct option is option A. Next question is, which of the following describes lookup files? Options are: Option A, lookup fields cannot be used in searches. Option B, lookups contain static data available in the index. Option C, lookups and more fields to results returned by a search. And option D, lookups pull data at index time and add time to search results. The correct option is option C. Next question is, which search string is the most efficient? These are the options. Please go through. The correct option is option D. Next question is, which search string matches only events with the status code of 404? Options are option A, status code is equal to 404. Option B, status code 400. Option C, status code is equal to 404. And option D, status code 403, status code 405, most voted. The correct option is option D. Next question is, Dash transforms raw data into events and distributes the results into an index. Options are option A, index. Option B, search head. Option C, indexer. And option D, forwarder. The correct option is option C. Next question is, documentation for Splunk can be found at docs.splunk.com. Options are option A, true. Option B, false. The correct option is option A. Next question is, which component of Splunk is primarily responsible for saving data? Options are option A, search head. Option B, heavy forwarder. Option C, indexer. And option D, universal forwarder. The correct option is option C. Next question is, universal forwarder is recommended for forwarding the logs to indexers. Choose the options. Option A, false. Option B, true. The correct option is option B. Next question is, Splunk apps are used for following. Choose 3 options. And the options are option A, designed to cater numerous use cases and empower Splunk. Option B, we cannot install Splunk app. Option C, allows multiple workspaces for different use cases or user roles. And option D, it is a collection of different Splunk config files like data inputs, UI, and knowledge object. The correct option is option A, C, and D. Next question is, 3 basic components of Splunk are. Choose 3 options. And the options are option A, forwarders. Option B, deployment server. Option C, indexer. Option D, knowledge objects. Option E, index. And option F, search head. The correct option is option A, C, and F. Next question is, what is Splunk? Options are option A, Splunk is a software platform to search, analyze, and visualize machine generated data. Option B, database management tool. Option C, security information and event management SIEM. And option D, cloud-based application that helps in analyzing logs. The correct option is option A. Next question is, you should use a heavy forwarder for sending event-based data to indexers. Choose the options. Option A, false, and option B, true. The correct option is option B. Next question is, Splunk Enterprise is used as a scalable service in Splunk Cloud. Choose the option. Options are option A, true, option B, false. The correct option is option A. Next question is, which component of Splunk let us write SPL query to find the required data? Options are option A, forwarders, option B, indexer, option C, heavy forwarders, and option D, search head. The correct option is option D. Thank you.